Hi everyone, so today we're going to discuss about digital banking security. So digital banking is whenever we do any kind of a payment or transaction in the online mode. So even though digital banking has made our lives very easy and comfortable, but it also poses a lot of threats to our digital banking security. So now we're going to discuss about some do's and don'ts. So to look at the do's, we're gonna take a look at an example. So let's say that you log into some kind of a financial website. So then the first thing that you do is you log in and you make password. You set a password. So whenever you set a password, make sure that you do not give in any of your personal details or your date of birth. It should be a very strong password and it should not be very easily guessable. The next is your account management. So always ensure that you enable the two-factor authentication, that is your PIN and password both. And the third is logout. So make sure that you directly do not close the page. Ensure that none of your details are saved in the logout, whenever you're logging out. So now let's take a look at the don'ts. So the number one is whenever you do any transaction, do not do it in using the public Wi-Fi, because that makes your account very, very unsafe. Second is do not give your PIN or CVV to anyone and or your OTP, because you might just give away all of your bank details to someone. And the third is if in case you get some kind of an unknown call from someone stating that they are bank officials and they ask for your personal banking details, then do not give them that, because you might land into some trouble. So these were the do's and don'ts. Thank you.